Welcome to Maroon Talk, a segment dedicated for anything and everything UP Fighting Maroons. I am Fim Moran, batch 2010 from UP Los Baños.
Enzo Regondola, batch 2010, UP Diliman. Ano naman
Hello!
tayo?
Ito na naman guys. Hope you guys liked our first two episodes. As we speak, palabas ngayon yung today yung second episode which is our Final Four predictions. Abangan, so sana nagustuhan nyo yan. And
Sana tama yung... Sana nag-agree kayo.
sana may sense yung mga pinagsasabi namin and eventually kung matupad sila by the end of the season, edi ang galing namin. Pero kung hindi,
Oo.
wala, ganun talaga.
Wala naman kami alam masyado talaga. So, yun.
Pero
Depende.
posible, di ba? Posibleng matupad siya. Posibleng mangyari yung mga bagay-bagay na yun. So abangan natin. Again, every UAP season is an exciting one. Kaya't,
Mhm.
yan. Ngayon naman, Zoe, dahil nung araw na nag-shoot tayo na yun, lumabas din ang schedule for round 1. Kaya,
Oo.
kaya natin discuss ang UP schedule for Season 88 Round 1. Zoe, paki-rundown naman ng ating
Rundown natin yung schedule natin. So, mag-start ang season natin sa Sunday, September 21. 4:30 p.m. kalaban natin ng UST.
sa
Sa kanilang home court na QPAV sa UST.
4:30
Next,
p.m. Oo.
4:30 p.m. Next game, Wednesday, September 24. Sa UST ulit, sa QPAV, Adamson, 4:30 p.m.
Mhm.
Third game, Sunday, September 28 versus UE. Sa Araneta naman, Araneta, 2
Yun.
o'clock. Next game, NU, October 4, Saturday, sa QPAV ulit, ng 4:30. Tapos, Ateneo, October 8, Wednesday, MOA Arena, 4:30 p.m. October 12, Sunday, FEU, QPAV, 4:30. And we close out the season, syempre, against rematch ng finals against Lasal, October 19, Sunday, 4:30 p.m. sa Araneta Coliseum.
Markahan nyo na yan. So,
Yan, round 1.
UST, Adamson, UE, NU, Ateneo, FU, tapos Lasal.
Yes.
Meron tayong apat na game sa UST Quadricentennial Pavilion. Lahat ng games natin doon ay 4:30 p.m. Isang weekday, yung Wednesday ng September 24. O, yun lang. Then, tatlong weekend. Dalawang Sunday, tatlong Sunday, isang Sabado. So, yung mga manonood dyan, good luck. Kasi,
Good
kung
luck
siya,
sa
oh,
Manila.
ano yun, ba't ba nagkakaganto yung schedule? It's either walang budget USD, dito ko lang. Or, hindi kasi meron kasi ngayon na FIVB Men's Volleyball Tournament sa MOA, which will last until end of September yata, parang ganun. Kaya yung mga venue ngayon, at least for the first round, medyo puro ganito, kung napapansin nyo. Kasi ang Araneta, dalawa lang, isang MOA, at least for the first round, no? Siyempre hindi tayo sanay sa ganyan in past seasons. But ito yung round 1 no? Yun.
Oh, siguro making the best of the situation lang talaga yung UAAP. Kasi wala sila ibang lalaroan eh. Although,
Meron.
syempre
Pero, ewan ko.
open din yung ibang ano naman, Phil Oil Arena, Blue Eagle Gym.
Mm.
Ano napili nila sa UST? Ewan ko, siguro kasi mas madali logistically para sa hosts, di ba?
Oo, oo, oo.
UST na lang.
Uy, yung Blue Eagle ngayon medyo ang layo na compared dun sa alam natin na Blue Eagle Gym. Medyo ano na siya. Hinay-tech na nila after kung di ako nagkakamali, 150 years.
Nakatagal yung sambungan na yan.
Akala ko na sabungan. Akala ko na-renovate na yun nung unang playing year natin nung ano, nung high school. Maganda na daw yun nun. Ilang years na yun? Back. 17. Ngayon,
Alam,
buti
alam mo
naman
ba sa
in-upgrade na ng maayos ngayon.
Blue Eagle Gym na yun, naglaro pa si Jose Rizal daw.
Nagpi-pick up sila nila ano, Emilio Aguinaldo.
Oo.
Oh, sa
One on
free
one
days.
muna bago magsulat.
Joke lang po. Okay, sige, try natin ano yun. Try natin ano lang. So, kumbaga pala next week, dalawa na pala yung game natin kumbaga. Isang Sunday, isang
Oo.
Wednesday. Ngayon ko lang na-realize yun. So UST tapos Adamson in the same week in a span of 2, 3 days. Then sa Sunday naman na yun, UE, Araneta. Tapos medyo a week or so break, we face NU back in UST. Then on that
Then,
Wednesday, Ateneo naman. Tapos yan, FU tas Lasal. Yung gap natin to the Lasal game, medyo may isang linggo na ano, preparation. Kung, either preparation yan or pahinga na tinatawag, no? Hindi ko na maalala dun sa full schedule if hindi naman lahat ng teams may game on the specific day. So kumbaga nakakalat naman siya, okay. So may games na may days na etong teams lang yung maglalaro. So hindi lahat, kumbaga. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so
oo.
so paano anong takeaway natin dito in terms of ah yung latag in terms of mga kalaban natin for round one?
Parang sa nakikita ko medyo ano siya, balance siya. Hindi yung hindi siya yung parang lahat ng malakas na sa simula o lahat ng malakas na sa one part of the schedule lang. Alam mo
Mhm.
yun.
Mhm.
Of course, yung Lasal, siyempre, nasa dulo yan kasi one versus two matchup yan. Pero the rest, parang okay naman kasi first game natin, di ba, UST. So okay, winnable na game. Pero next game against Adamson na medyo dark horse contender for the Final Four. So,
Aha.
meron kagad test. Pwede na sabihin may test kagad yung UP second game pa lang. Tapos
Mhm.
yung third game, UE, which is expected to be another winnable game kasi nga ini-expect naman natin mahina yung UE this year. Tapos NU and Ateneo na again, Final Four contenders. So parang meron siyang may pagka-up and down yung flow niya. I guess makikita mo kagad kung yun nga, mag-gauge mo kung nasan yung team agad.
Mhm.
Kasi hindi siya sunod-sunod na mahirap, hindi rin sunod-sunod na madali. Parang meron nga parang hindi sila walang time for them to be complacent, I guess.
So balanse siya, no?
That's
At
it.
least sa ano natin, sa point of view natin as UP fans, equally distributed yung difficulty ng games. I mean, heading into the season, no? At this stage, again, wala tayong alam. Yun, I'm gonna call it yung mga sure win games natin dapat dito should be UST, Adamson, UE, FEU.
Mm.
Yun na lang muna ano yun ko, apat. Apat from the 8. Ay, the 7. 7. Tama ba?
Seven,
Apat
seven.
from the 7 na games natin for round one. Yun dapat yung hindi natin mapalampas early on. We should secure those wins against those teams, especially in the first round, para we have more leeway if there's such a term or a mechanic come the second round.
Oh,
Uh, then again, yun nga, every game is gonna be a challenge. So, wag tayong magulat kung lumabas na naman yung tinatawag nating karaming maroons. Given na yan, tingin ko, base sa ano, sa balanse at least ng UAAP the past few seasons. Huwag na tayo magulat na may mga dikit na laban. For sure may mga magiging dikit na laban for UP in itself. Hindi tayo, ano tawag doon? Indestructible. Kumbaga, I think many teams have tricks up their sleeves when they'll be facing UP on their calendar. Kaya we should be ready for those, kumbaga. And from there, learn on how to address those, especially pag nakita rin ng ibang teams yun.
Kaya parang lahat din kasi ng team halos may nag-improve from last season.
Mhm.
And ang hirap sabihin na nag-improve yung UP from last season. Parang, kung siguro
Oo,
pwede.
parang
Pero parang maliit lang compared dun sa ibang teams. Kasi, siyempre, I mean, champion tayo, ang galing natin. Tapos, yung mga nawala, very big pieces. So parang, nasabi mo bang may improvement from our part as
ay,
compared sa, let's say Ateneo or
mhm,
UST, kunyari, di ba? Na parang, kita mo yung improvement talaga
mhm.
dun sa Rust. So, yun yung mga kailangang asahan natin, I guess, na alam mo yun, dun sa early on, early games. Tingnan natin kung kaya kailangan mag-capitalize tayo dun sa mga tingin nating kayang-kayang mapanalo na games talaga.
Kumbaga sa ano yan sa corporate jargons, mataas yung baseline na ng UP. Kaya in
Oo,
terms of growth,
mahirap
yung
na.
if ikukumpara natin tayo sa ibang teams, mas malaki yung naging growth nila from last year kasi mas mababa yung baseline nila, kumbaga. Compared to UP's championship na plus yung mga nawala nga na players, ang hirap talaga ano yun. Yung kumbaga andito ka na, yung mag-grow mo, medyo ganito lang,
Konti
more or
na lang.
less. Oh. But again, we can look at it ano lang yun for fun lang yun na angulo tingnan. So, but if you're gonna really dig deep and drill down that fact, tayo pa rin yung intact na core, kumbaga. Kasi nga, mataas yung ano natin na achieve last season. Again, yun siya. Now, looking at this, it's gonna be, the first round is gonna last a month, more or less.
Yep.
So, sabihin nating yung round 2 will start probably late October, which will last ng more or less is one din. So, that's gonna be end of November. Abot tayo ng December pa rin. So,
Usual ano naman, usual
usual,
schedule.
nasanay na tayo sa ganun in recent memory. Exciting. Tingin ko nga mas biging factor pa dito yung pag-adjust sa QPAV. Kesa yung mga kalaban in itself. Hindi tayo familiar dyan sa lugar na, I think, kung di nagkakamali, talo pa tayo dyan last season. Correct me if I'm wrong. Mali yata ako or what, hindi ko malala. Pero,
Ano
alam ko,
ba yung
team,
NU eh?
ha?
Parang meron nga. NU ba
Oo,
kalaban
di ba?
natin?
Parang yun nga tayo sobrang walang kwenta yung laro natin. Oh, yan, nabanggit ni Kuya Mark. Oo. Kaya medyo may ano tayo dyan May adjustment period, I would say. I don't think yung team would set a practice there. Oo, before the season starts. Wala akong balita if nag-practice sila or what. But hopefully hindi maging factor 'yun sa team yung familiarity dun sa court na 'yun kasi iba siya eh. Ah, lalo na USCO natin kalaban, the hosts. Pretty sure it's gonna be a raucous environment kasi nga bahay nila 'yun, dun sila nagpa-practice araw-araw. So, hahayaan ba nilang talunin lang sila dun sa bahay nila ng kung sino mang team.
Oo eh. Kaya parang sa akin, medyo must watch yung first game natin kasi parang bihira naman yung sa UAAP na may maglalaro na may home court advantage talaga eh.
Mhm.
Diba?
Oo.
Ito yung one of the rare times na meron. So, tapos yun nga, alam naman natin nag-improve yung UST. So baka, alam mo yun, baka maging maganda yung laban sa Sunday
Posible.
for those who...
Could go down the wire. So, huwag tayong mag ano dyan. Huwag tayong expect ng blowout. Hindi ko ina-expect na maging blowout win yan for either team. Lalo na kapaan pa rin yan. Kasi first game of the season, lahat ng teams, lahat ng players kinakabahan pa. Kumbaga, may jitters pa yan.
Uh,
So, let's see. Okay. Again, dalawa ang Wednesday game, isa lang ang 2 p.m. game. So, usually, ang ano natin ay 4:30 p.m. to be followed by the women's team. Uh, Iba na siya compared to last season na morning yung women's. Ngayon, morning na morning ang juniors to be followed by the first game ng women's to be followed by the seniors ng 2 p.m. Tapos second game ng seniors 4:30. Then last game of the women's team 7 p.m. So for our women's basketball team, more or less sila yung 7 p.m. game. So good luck sa kanila. What's good about this though is we have more chances of actually watching them. Kung nanood na kayo ng men's team sa venue, might as well watch the women's team as well. Kasi dati medyo may gap kasi umaga sila kasi iba pa yung ticket. Ngayon, di ko lang kung iba pa rin yung ticket for the women's. I don't think so. Parang yung ticket for the women's game 1, seniors game, correct me if I'm wrong. Seniors game 1, seniors game 2, women's game 2, I think same ticket pa sila. Kasi wala naman naka-indicate doon sa schedule na hiwalay pa. But then again, I stand corrected. Meron. Pero yun, magkadikit na sila. Uh, so again, another game to watch out for would be NU of course. Kasi nga natalo tayo sa kanila last season dun sa QPAV mismo. And of course, yung Ateneo on a weekday. Hindi na siya weekend ngayon. Um, Tsaka hindi na sila separate ticket ngayon. So tingnan natin. This is gonna be an interesting matchup.
hindi pa.
Hindi
Tingnan
pa
natin
ulit.
sa round 2.
Tingnan natin.
Kung ano performance sa Ateneo sa round
Naglalagay na
1.
to eh, no? And of course, Lasal. October 19. Ano- Yun. At least for the first round, ito yung mga inaabangan natin. Unlike other teams, if I'm not mistaken, yung Ateneo ba parang may mas challenging yung schedule. Parang sila yung na lagay sa dulo yung mga mahihirap. Kasi yung UP, tapos pati yung Lasal Ateneo is, kailan nga yung Lasal Ateneo? Padulo din eh, kung di nagkakamali.
Sa Ateneo ay, ano ba? October 5.
O yun, so October na siya. Before we face, right before they face us. Lasal Ateneo
Hmm.
muna. No? So, and then within that same week, dalawang game nila na malaki. Uh, it's gonna be interesting din siguro na how Lasal will match up with Ateneo. And I think from there, marami tayong mapupulot doon in terms of matchups
Oo.
that
Parang
we could actually use, apply. Oo.
yun yung magiging ano natin,
Game.
scouting game, kumbaga. For both teams.
Oo. Hindi ko magandang gauge yun. Ah, hindi ano yan. I think both teams will go all out. Um, Posible magtago sila ng baraha but I think very minimal yung magiging ano. Kasi pride at pride pa rin yan sa Lasal Ateneo. So we'll see.
Siguro depende kung nasan sila by that time. Kasi kung kunyari Ateneo ka na ikaw yung naghahabol, ikaw yung lalaban para maka-Final Four. Ba't ka parang magtatago ka pa ba talaga? Eh, hindi ka
Sa
nga
Lasal
sure kung...
siguro pala. Oo. Sa Lasal siguro
Oh,
pala mas
Lasal
may
siguro,
posible silang itago, no?
kung may
Then
tatago sila, baka itago nila. Pero yung Ateneo, I doubt. Kasi parang
talagang
wala sila sa posisyon na magtago pa ng ano yun,
oo, oo.
barahan nila.
And this would be their fifth or sixth game of the season. Ano ba? Fourth or fifth pala game of the season. Kaya medyo may ano na tayo dyan. Kahit pa paano meron na tayong feel on how they would look as a team. Itong FU game na to, we need to win this convincingly. Uh, when I say that, dapat yung we get the job early done. We get the job done early by securing a good lead, uh, lessening the points of FEU. With that, we will be able to let the other players from the bench play more minutes compared to the
Yun.
starters. So, mapahinga yung starters natin. Okay. Kinukul ko na yan. FEU bilang tinatawag ko silang 8 seed this season. Dapat ganun yung ano natin sa kanila. At yun yung expectation ko lang at least heading into this sixth game of the season. Of the first round. Yun.
Okay.
Kayo, let us know what you guys think. Are there any other games that would interest you? And ano pa dapat yung abangan natin na matchups, teams, players, given the latag nitong round 1 schedule of UAP Season 88. Yes, we'll see more of us soon.
Magiging home court advantage ba yung QPAM para sa UST?
Mm,
Hindi lang against UP, basta lahat ng games nila
lahat,
doon.
lahat. For sure, ang dami nilang ano doon. Ang dami rin nilang
Doon,
laro doon.
may
Oo.
home court advantage ba sila?
Or baka pressure
Kaya
sila.
din. O ma-pressure
Kasi,
sila tapos zero, zero wins.
alam ko talo sila last season eh. Parang natalo rin sila dyan nung 87, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh, pero
Kaya
konti lang yun, di ba? Mga isa
dikit
lang
yung
yata,
game.
dalawa.
Hindi, ilang games?
Oh, ilang games.
Isa lang ata na yung
Isa lang
UST
pala,
yung
isa
ano.
lang yun. Eh.
Oo, yung UST nandun. Yun.
Ayun, marami.
See you guys on the next ones. Ito na naman.
Yep.
Kagulo na naman. Sa UP, good luck. And we'll see you on Sunday. Tingnan natin kung ano maging outcome in... Ay, Tuesday pala yun. 4 days, 5 days. Ganyan. Good luck to all teams. Hopefully lahat maging
Yep.
safe. Maraming salamat, Enzo. As always,
Thank you.
UP Fight.
Go,
See you
UP
guys.
fight.
See you guys on the next one. Ingat.
You.
Bye-bye.